Welcome back to the show. Now, all this week we gave all of our chefs €10 to go out and make a dinner for 4, and we have Randy Lewis on the show for the first time. Randy, how are you, sir?
Thanks for having me. Good, really good.
Usually when we have a chef in for the first time, we say, look, go off and bring us back whatever, but we say we make it hard for you this time, okay? So we gave you a tenner.
Yeah.
What are you going to make for us?
We got a meatball and potato bake. Beef meatballs with 12% fat.
Okay.
I like to have the fat in there. The fat adds all the flavour.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I like the salt in intervals. Now, you don't have to use meatballs. You can use any other kind of veg. There's now vegetable meatballs.
Yeah, or you could use turkey meatballs if you wanted to. If you want to stay with the meat, could you?
I like meatballs because Sammy, my little fella, loves rolling them up and makes it with me.
And it's a bit of fun.
Hitting 2 birds with 1 stone.
Certainly.
So
way to do it.
You got to do it. We just want to really brown up the meatballs. It's very quick.
Can I ask you what type of pot that is that you're cooking them in?
This is actually a tagine base.
Oh.
So if you want, you can put a tagine on top if you want. Yeah. Just looking around the restaurant and that's what I came up with.
Good man. That's good.
So what we really want to do is just get a good sear on the beef, and then we're going to add everything in. And the whole idea behind this is to get it into the oven. 35 minutes. It just sits there. It does its own thing. Yeah. And we come back to it and
done. But you want the meat nice and brown first?
You want the meat brown, yeah. It's going to cook through. Yeah. The meat being brown is going to make everything hold together. Yeah. So
all the lovely flavours will actually stay inside the meatballs as well.
Absolutely. And today we're using potatoes, but me and Sam, we like to use pasta. We put raw pasta inside with all the tomato sauce, put it in the oven and it cooks.
There you go. No, that's just meat. There's nothing else inside there?
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Nothing else. So we got garlic going in. Got onions going in.
Yeah.
We're going to put the spices in.
What type of spice are they?
Italian herbs.
Italian herbs.
Then we have a Mexican spice.
A Mexican spice.
Basically, we have cumin, coriander, chili, and that's pretty much it.
Paprika. I want to smell that one.
Yeah.
Just to make sure.
Taste it. Put it on your tongue, sure. And again, I'm going to pepper and salt in intervals. It's kind of like the way I like to do things. It's fun. We're not supposed to take a big tongue of it.
I didn't.
You're not supposed to take a big tongue of it.
That's good. Here, I better drink the glass of wine that's here. Oh, do you want that for cooking?
Take a sip, sure. Yesterday's wine, Chardonnay. We have half glass of wine basically right there.
But if you didn't want to put wine in, Randy, what could you put in?
Well, I put the wine to take away from the acidity of the tomatoes for the sugar. So you can use some brown sugar. I like brown sugar. It has a little bit of vanilla taste.
Yeah, it does.
So rather than your regular sugar. So now you can see everything's browning off.
Yep.
So we're going to go ahead and add the wine.
Yep.
Glaze the pan.
And it goes. So if you don't want to use any alcohol, put in brown sugar. It's a good one.
Brown sugar's a good one. I like brown sugar. Or white sugar, whatever you have at home.
Yeah, I think brown sugar is good. Come here. You're from Canada originally.
I am, yeah.
How did you land in County Clare?
Just passing through. I went to Dublin. Dublin.
Tala,
Dublin.
Yeah.
And I was there for about 6 months working at a lovely hotel called City West Hotel.
Another place, yeah.
And I decided if I never went west, I'd regret it. And I went west.
You went west?
Yeah.
Now, do you have any Irish connection at all?
None.
None whatsoever?
Passing through. I've been traveling since I've been 17 around the world. That's how I learned how to cook.
So you turn 17, you say, OK, I'm gone. I'm out of here.
Yeah.
And where in Canada are you from?
I'm from Edmonton, Alberta, oil town.
OK, so that's kind of the west, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. The great Wayne Gretzky comes from there. Have you heard of him?
Yeah, I've heard the name.
Yeah.
Heard the name.
Really good. OK, so we got the potatoes in. Everything's in. Meatballs, potatoes. I'm going to put a little bit of a secret ingredient, some cheddar.
Cheddar?
It goes really well with the Mexican spice.
I actually thought they were pineapples.
It goes really well with the Mexican spice. I'm going to do one more season.
Now, what do you think of our cheddar here in Ireland?
Sorry?
Our cheddar here in Ireland. Do you like
Cheddar's
it?
Nice, yeah. This is Claheen cheddar.
Claheen? I don't know. You brought it.
Claheen cheddar. So everything's in the pot. Everything's ready to go, and we're going to bring it straight over to the oven. So we have a lot of ingredients in here. Basically, all the water is going to get into the potatoes and make them what they are.
Yeah, perfect.
So
are you going to cover that?
We're not going to cover it. We want it to reduce down.
Top or bottom?
We're going to open up the top and bottom oven. We're going to open up the bottom oven.
Okay. Oven, yeah. Okay.
So we have one that's kind of ready to go here.
Yeah.
And we're going to put the cheese on it.
Oh, Randy, this looks great. This looks really, really nice.
Cheese on it.
So what type of cheese is that?
This is cheddar.
Cheddar again.
If you want to open up the top.
Okay, open up the top. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, here we go.
We got that. We're going to grill that.
So how long will that go in for?
That's going to go in for 3 or 4 minutes. We just want to grill the cheese.
So how long was it inside the oven beforehand?
This is going to be for about 35 to 45 minutes.
Okay.
Now, if you have Sunday's potatoes, throw them in.
Perfect.
Done and just reduce the tomatoes down a bit.
Okay, and everything is cooked then?
Everything's going to be cooked. I mean, a couple cheese. I would have 20 minutes.
Okay,
20 minutes in there.
hang on. Back to your own story now.
Yeah.
Okay, so left Canada when you were 17.
Yeah.
So you're heading around the world, landed in Dublin, working in Tala in the city west,
Yeah.
and you said, okay, I need to go west to County Clare.
Well, I actually said I want to go surfing.
Surfing, okay.
So in 2005, Google wasn't really working very well. So my friends in Tala, they said, go up to Galway City.
Yeah.
Went up to Galway City. Got to Galway City, got checked into the hostel, and the guy's like, oh, there's no surfing here. They go to a place called Lahinch, and
Yeah.
they pointed to the bus and jumped on the
You
bus.
got on the bus.
And that's how I got to Lahinch.
So, but you stayed in Lahinch then for a while. How long have you been in Lahinch?
Stayed in Lahinch for a few years, and then I
This is your life. I feel I should have a book or
then I
something.
travelled off to
Da, da,
then I actually travelled off to India when recession kicked in for 2 years and lived there and worked there.
Oh, God.
So let's check this. We should
No,
be
Maura,
good
you're
to
looking
go.
forward to this?
Ah, look at
yeah.
this. This
Look
is
at
love.
this. I'm looking forward
This
to
is
this
make
stuff.
my most.
What cheese is it again?
We got cheddar, aged cheddar.
Look at that.
So we're gonna put that right there.
Very good.
Oh, my God.
That right there. This is a tasty one. Maura, do you want to do cheese?
No, you're the chef. You brought the cheese, you're the chef. Do your job. I do mine, you do yours.
I'm telling you, there's no free passages around here, Randy.
No, that's it. No, just like
There's definitely not.
Doy and I don't. We don't want to do these things.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got that.
We're flat out working all day, Randy. That's our problem. Flat to the mat.
Watch yourself there.
Yeah, okay. Good man.
Okay, a little bit of cheese.
What type of cheese is it? Is this the same?
This is Reggiano, Parmesan Reggiano. I love this stuff. This
This is
I
really,
think just
really
cheese
good.
in general. Like, I mean, it's God's gift, I think.
My God, the smell. Oh, my God, the lovely aromas, Maura.
And then these chives, I like to put garnishes that are actually edible and you can use. So chives are in season right now. They're nice onion flavor. You've got the lovely creamy texture going on with the potatoes. And there you go.
Great.
Okay.
So let's
Looking
give it a
forward
try.
to this.
Dig in there now, Maura. RTE.ie/food for the recipe. Eat one of the meatballs, Maura.
The
Bit hot, watch
meatballs.
your tongue.
Yeah.
Oh, have a.
It's a bit late. A bit late. Watch your tongue.
Give me a taste there. What do we got?
Hey.
Here, here's my
Get
season.
your
There we
own.
go, there we
Get
go.
your own. Randy's lovely.
Very nice, Randy.
Really, really nice.
Gorgeous. Nice. Midweek dinner.
Lovely. Very hot, isn't it?
Everything underneath the tenner.
Yeah.
About €8.
€8 and it'll feed 4 people.
Yeah.
That'll definitely
Great.
feed 4 people.
Randy, thank you very much.
Lovely.
Great to have you, sir.
Thanks.